Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forbes Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy S10 Plus. I want to give a shout out to UAG for sending this case to me. They sent me out their Plyo case. Yes, it's in blue. One of my favorite colors, by the way. You know, in this video, we're going to test out the fit. We're going to make sure everything lines up. And we're going to see if you can wireless charge with the case on it. So let's get into this video. I love the presentation from UAG. Bam. If you want to follow them on their social media websites, I recommend doing so. Now let me know if you like the color of this case. I think it looks awesome. But let's take a look at the case itself. Bam. Look at that. I love the blue color. Yes, you have some branding there. The sides have these little ripples for grip. The Bixby button is ridged, so is the power button. You have the same type of design. Yes, that back is plastic. Now hopefully it doesn't scratch up like some of the other Plyo design cases did, but we'll see. Do we get lip action? Yes, we do. Bam, look at that. Looks good. The camera hump, yes you do. You get that protection too. Look at the back of the phone. Bam. Let's make sure the cutouts line up, which you can tell there they all do. Bam. See at the top, yes, the power button. Power button works. The volume rockers work. Yes, the Bixby button works too. This is a nice case. Does it fit well? It's a little loose on the top and the bottom, but I wouldn't. Now on the sides you can't peel apart. Look, it doesn't go all the way over there. It doesn't have side protection, but it does have the lip, top and bottom. The next thing we want to test out, can you wireless charge? Let's see that really quick. So I have my wireless charger. I don't think we will have a problem. Bam, as you can tell, it is wireless charging without a problem. So if you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description. You can pick it up from Amazon. If you like this case, let me know in the comments below. Also, if you like this video, don't forget the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S10 Plus. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter at Forbes Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. You have a great day now.